Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you how to Botox your skin at home itself by using few ingredients. First I would like to tell you what is meant by Botox. Botox is kind of injection noted primarily for the ability to reduce the appearance of facial wrinkles. They also used to treat conditions such as neck spasms, excessive sweating, overacting bladder and lazy eyes also. Instead of going to the parlors, here we are going to do the Botox to our skin at home itself. For that, first here I require egg. Egg can be used in improving skin texture, be it dry or oily skin. Egg yolks are rich in fatty acids which can lead moisture to the skin, while the egg whites contain albumin, a simple form of protein that helps to tighten pores and also remove excessive oil. So here I have taken egg white. Egg helps to treat acne, fade away the wrinkles. It helps to good for oily skin. It removes dark spots. It gives you glowing skin. So see guys, here I have taken egg white. I don't want yellow. I don't want a yolk. I require only egg white part. So here I am having one egg white. Oily face, or if you're having blackhead problems, facial hairs or wrinkle problem, this face pack is the best thing guys. This will control your oil from your skin and it will get rid of blackheads. It will remove your facial hairs and it will smoothes your wrinkles. If you keep on using this pack weekly 2 times, you can see how you're going to see the changes in your face by yourself. Anything, it will not be happen within one day. You have to keep on using the things. So my second ingredient is here Disprin. Disprin is which is available in the pharmacy. You will get it in the pharmacy easily guys. That Disprin, in some other places it is called as aspirin also. According to the countries the name will change, but this tablet will dissolve in water easily, like chewable. Okay, so this tablet contains basically salicylic acid which helps to dry up pimples. If you are dissolving this in water and applying on your face for 5 to 10 minutes, you can see the benefits. Already I had made this video by using Disprin tablets for pimple remover. You can go and check that one also. It is having anti-aging and anti-acne aspirin mask also. You can see that one. Basically salicylic acid has drying effect that can rid of excess oil and dead skin cells, helping to clear up acne blemishes. So this pack is very effective guys. So I am here going to add both the ingredients. Try to use it with a beater. If you are not having a beater, you can mix all these ingredients with the help of a fork also, but main thing in this is you have to mix both the ingredients well. Unless the mixture is not mixing well, you will not get the benefit of this pack. Both the ingredients here I have not taken more ingredients because very less ingredients and more benefit. See guys, I had mixed both these ingredients well. Now you have to apply this pack on your face, on your neck. If you are having wrinkles on your hands and feet also, you can apply this one, and then apply this pack hands and feet and leave it for minimum 20 minutes without fail. No need to be hurry burry. If you are in hurry burry, you will not going to get any benefit guys. You have to leave it minimum 20 minutes. If it's not dry, leave it more than 20 minutes, means 30 minutes, and then you can wash it off your face and then you can see the result by yourself. I hope you all like my video. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share among your friends and family members. Thank you. Bye bye.